Hey y'all, this is Memo. I had some leftover apples the other night, so I'm gonna make some apple something. I have no name for it, but I'm gonna use my muffin tin. I've got a pie crust here I'm gonna cut out, put in my muffin tin, and then fill it with apples and bake it. Follow along with me if you wish. This is what I'm doing. I'm cutting out circles with this glass, and then I'm placing them in the muffin tin. I don't like to throw anything away, and these apples were so good that I'm going to use them up. So I got 4 made out. I don't have very many apples, so I'm just going to do a few at a time. I'm going to put a teaspoon of apples in each one, a heaping teaspoon. Well, I've done 4. I've got that many left, so I'm just going to put a few more in each cup. Probably won't nobody be here to eat them but me. The girls are here today, but I don't think they'll eat them. But you never know. And it don't matter if they do or not. Now I'm going to cut some crust and kind of make a design on top. Now I did that. I'm going to put them in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. Here they are right out of the oven. Smells so good. I don't never throw anything out because you can always make something out of it. Perfect. The girls are here today, and they got here about 11. Wave at them, girls.
Hey, check out Daily Trenders.
They got here about 11. They've already ate twice. So, maybe they'll be filled up by the time they go home. They always want to eat when they come to my house. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching.